Hello learners, so now we are going to revise the words that we have learned in session 6 to 10. So now let's see the words. The first word was belligerent. So what does belligerent means? Belligerent means hostile and aggressive because belly is the root word for war. So from that you can remember that belligerent means hostile and aggressive. The next word was pragmatic. Pragmatic means what? Dealing with things realistically and practically. So pragmatic में भी PRA, pragmatic में भी आता है और PRA practically में भी आता है. So you can remember it from that pragmatic and practically. So eloquent means what? Fluent में भी last में event sound आता है और fluent में भी. तो eloquent means what? Fluent or persuasive in speaking or in writing. The next word was obfuscate. Obfuscate means to deliberately make something unclear or difficult to understand. So what does obfuscate means? To deliberately make something unclear and difficult to understand. फस्केट फ्रस्ट्रेट कर देना, जानबूझ के अनक्लियर करना. सो ऑफस्केट मीन्स व्हाट? टू डेलिबरेटली मेक समथिंग अनक्लियर एंड डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड वाज ubiquitous. सो व्हाट डज ubiquitous मीन्स? प्रेजेंट और अपीयरिंग और फाउंड एवरीवेयर. So God is found everywhere or something is everywhere, then it is what? Ubiquitous. The next word is capitulate. So what does capitulate means? To surrender, stop resisting, to give in. So what does capitulate means? To surrender or stop resisting, to give in. So capitulate means what? Surrender. The next word was climate breakdown. So what does climate breakdown means? Harmful, potentially irreversible climate trends from unchecked global warming. So what does climate breakdown means? Harmful, potentially irreversible. So potentially irreversible climate trend from unchecked global warming. जो भी harmful ये जो climate trends हो रहा है irreversible, these are what? Climate breakdowns. The next word was climate emergency. A situation requiring urgent action to reduce or halt climate change. So emergency आ गई है, अब आपको action लेना पड़ेगा. So a situation requiring urgent action to reduce or halt climate change. The next word was eco-anxiety. So what does eco-anxiety means? Eco-anxiety means anxiety caused by the concern about impact of climate change. So anxiety caused by the concern about the impact of climate change. The next word was eco-chic. What does eco-chic means? A style or product that
So, eco-anxiety means anxiety caused by the concern about impact of climate change. And the other word was eco-chic. Eco-chic means what? A style or product that is both eco-friendly and fashionable. So, these are the words of 6th session. Now, we will see the words of 7th session that we have learned in the 7th session. So the first word was energy poverty. So what does energy poverty means? Lack of access to safe, affordable electricity and fuel. So what do you mean by energy poverty? Lack of access to safe, affordable electricity and fuel. The next word was fitspiration. So what does fitspiration means? Fits means related to fitness and piration means related to inspiration. So it doesn't mean that actually in real sense, like you can relate it with that. Fits means fitness, fits you can relate to fitness, and piration you can relate to inspiration. So inspiration for fitness often via social media. Hashtag Fitspo you are seeing in this picture. So what does fitspiration means? Inspiration for fitness often via social media. The next word was gig economy. A labor market of short term contracts of freelance work. So the short term वाली जो economy होती है वो that is what? Gig economy. The next word is microplastic. So what does microplastic means? Microplastic means tiny plastic pieces harmful to aquatic life. So what do you mean by microplastic? Microplastic means tiny plastic pieces harmful to aquatic life. The next word is nomophobia. So what do you mean by nomophobia? Fear or stress from being without a mobile phone. So what is nomophobia? Fear or stress from being without a mobile phone. Nomo means मोबाइल नंबर से आप याद कर सकते तो fear or stress from being without a mobile phone. The next word was parasocial. What do you mean by parasocial? a one-sided relationship felt toward a celebrity or influencer. So what do you mean by parasocial? A one-sided relationship felt toward a celebrity or a influencer. One-sided relationship felt toward a celebrity or influencer. The next word is rewild. So what do you mean by rewild? Restoring nature to its wild state to boost biodiversity. So restoring nature to its wild state to boost biodiversity is rewild. Restoring nature to its wild state to boost biodiversity. The next word is slow fashion. There are two words, slow fashion and fast fashion. So slow fashion is one which is eco-friendly, thoughtful clothing movement opposing fast fashion. Fast fashion means that is related to fashion only and that is not sustainable. So slow fashion means creating sustainable fashion, eco-friendly clothing. The next word was skin streaming. Skin streaming means use fewer but effective skincare products. So skin streaming means what? Using fewer but effective skincare products. The next word is sound bath. What do you mean by sound bath? Relaxation through soothing sounds like gongs and chimes. So what do you mean by sound bath? Relaxation through soothing sounds like gongs and chimes. So relaxation through soothing sounds is sound bath. Okay, these were the words of 7th session. Now let's get to the words of 8th session. Okay, so the first word of 8th session was impugn. So impugn means was dispute the truth, validity or honesty of a statement or motive called into question. So dispute the truth, validity or honesty of a question or a statement is what? Impugn. Pugn is related to anger. It is a root word for anger. So impugn means what? Dispute the truth, validity or honesty of a statement or a question. The next word is despot. What do you mean by despot? A ruler with great power, especially one who uses it in a cruel way. A ruler with great power who uses it, especially for one who uses it in a cruel way. So it is what? Despot. The next word is splenetic. So what do you mean by splenetic? Splenetic means angry or bad-tempered. The next word was abrogate. Abrogate means repel or do away with. Evade a responsibility or a duty. So repel or do away with a law, right or a formal agreement. The next word was inveterate. What do you mean by inveterate? Having a particular habit, activity or interest that is long established and unlikely to change. किसी चीज़ की आदत है. That is what inveterate. Inveterate. The next word is officious. Officious means meddling, too ready to tell others what to do and use the power you have to give orders, interfering in others' matter, often annoyingly. The next word is pillory. Pillory means medieval device, a wooden framework with holes for a person's head and hands, used as a punishment to expose offenders to public scorn, abuse and ridicule. To pillory means to subject someone to public criticism or mockery. To pillory means to subject someone to public criticism or mockery. The next word was abject. Abject means terrible and without hope, without any pride or respect for yourself. So abject means terrible or without hope. The next word was libertarian. Libertarian means an advocate or supporter of political philosophy that advocates only minimal state intervention in the free market and the private lives of citizens. A person who advocates civil liberty, so free market, who supports for free market and the private lives of citizens, no intervention of state, is libertarian. The next word was licentious. Licentious means showing a complete lack of moral discipline and standards, especially in a relation to sex. So licentious means what? Complete lack of moral discipline and standards. The next, okay, these were the words of A session. Now let's get to the 9th session. Okay, so the first word was multifarious. So what do you mean by multifarious? Having great variety or diversity of many different kinds. Multi means many. So having great variety or diversity of many different kinds. The next word is ostracism. So what do you mean by ostracism? The act of being socially excluded, rejected or banished by a group or society. सो देखो ऑस्ट्रासिज्म में लास्ट में क्या आ रहा है? रेसिज्म. सो रेसिज्म में क्या होता था? रेस के बेसिस पे इंसानों को हम डिफ्रेंशिएट कर देते थे और और किसी रेस को कम, वो रेसिज्म, किसी रेस को कम वो माना जाता था, कम लेवल का, किसी को ज़्यादा का. सो व्हाट इज ऑस्ट्रिसिज्म? द एक्ट ऑफ बीइंग सोशली एक्सक्लूडेड, रिजेक्टेड और बैनिश्ड बाय अ ग्रुप ऑफ सोसाइटी. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज कोटोडियन. कोटोडियन रोज का एक कोट होता है स्कूल में, कोट ऑफ द डे. सो फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन रिमेंबर इज कोटोडियन मीन्स ऑफ or occurring every day or daily. The next word is abhorrent. So what do you mean by abhorrent? That makes you feel hate or disgust. Abhorrent you can remember it is like that, अब और नहीं सह सकते. So that something that makes you feel disgust. The next word is aberrant. So aberrant is means एबर है, उसकी आंट है, दोनों उल्टी डायरेक्शन में ही चलते हैं. नॉट कन्फर्मिंग टू एन एक्सेप्टेड और यूजुअल स्टैंडर्ड, अलग ही भागते हैं जो. एडो. एडो मीन्स व्हाट? फस और अननेसेसरी एक्टिविटी. क्योंकि जब भी कुछ होता है तो हम कहते हैं विदाउट फर्दर एडो लेट्स गेट टू दिस. सो विदाउट फर्दर अननेसेसरी एक्टिविटी और फस. एडियो. एडियो मीन्स गुड बाय. Next word is afflict. To cause somebody something, to suffer pain, sadness, etc. And the next word is inflict. To cause something painful to others. So these two are common confusables. Afflict means to cause somebody something, to suffer pain, sadness, etc. To cause somebody something, to suffer pain, sadness, etc. Or afflict means to cause something painful to others. The next word is maelstrom. Maelstrom means what? A strong current of water which has a circular movement. A situation full of strong emotions that is confusing and difficult to understand or deal with and scares you. So okay, let's get to the 10th session. Okay, so the first word was maudlin. Maudlin means self-pityingly or tearfully sentimental. Maudlin. Maudlin means self-pitying or tearfully सेंटीमेंटल. मौत ही आ गई जैसे देख के, मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा सेंटीमेंटल. सो सेल्फ पिटिंगली और टीयरफुली सेंटीमेंटल. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज मैवरिक. मैवरिक मीन्स व्हाट? अ पर्सन हु डज नॉट बिहेव और थिंक लाइक एवरीवन एल्स बट हु हैज़ इंडिपेंडेंट अनयूजुअल ओपिनियंस. सो मैवरिक यू कैन रिमेंबर लाइक दिस कि रिक है ना, रिक की जगह निक याद कर लो. निक है जो दूसरों से बिल्कुल इंडिपेंडेंट है, अलग सोचता है, सबसे अलग ओपिनियंस हैं. So maverick means a person who does not behave or think like everyone else but who has independent unusual opinions. The next word is mawkish. Mawkish means sentimental in an exaggerated or false way, having a faint sticky flavor. So mawkish means sentimental in an exaggerated or false way. So इतना ये sentimental हो तुम कि लोग तुम्हारे ऊपर मॉक कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि ये गलत है. So like this you can remember. Sentimental in an exaggerated or false way is mawkish. The next word is maxim. A few words that express a rule for good or sensible behavior is a maxim. So a few words that express a rule for good or sensible behavior. Mendacious. Mendacious means lying, not telling the truth or lying. Like I have paste this picture here, like झूठ बोले कौआ काटे, उससे relate करके. So mendacious means lying. You have to remember it like this. Mendacious means lying. Mendacious means lying. Mendacious means lying. The next word is modicum. Modicum means a very small amount, especially of something good and pleasant. So modicum means a very small amount, especially of something good and pleasant. कम है किसी चीज़ का, मोडी कम में, मॉडिकम में तो कम आ ही रहा है ना, तो कम है लेकिन अच्छी चीज़ का कम है. The morass means what? A complicated and dangerous situations that is especially difficult to escape from an area of low submergement. So morass means किसी चीज़ का दलदल, किसी भी समस्या के दलदल में फंस गया, अब उससे निकलना मुश्किल हो रहा है. So a complicated and dangerous situation that is especially difficult to escape from. Most means what? Social norms. The next word was munificent. Munificent means kind, generous. The next word was scurrilous. Scurrilous means making or spreading scandalous claims about someone without the intention of damaging their reputation. With the intention of damaging their reputation. So scurrilous means what? Making or spreading scandalous claims about someone with the intention of damaging their reputation. It's like malign or defaming. Scurrilous. किसी पे दाग धब्बे लगाना है, scars. Scurrilous, scars से related करके, make or spreading scandalous claims about someone with the intention of damaging their reputation. So that's it for this session. Thank you.